you ever bought a bag with no money? No money in the bank? Hi, Beanbeauti, Dooney Bean here. Can you see me? Can you see me? How are you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. We're just going to go right into this. I do have some chit-chatting to do today. I got a story time to tell you today. I'm sure I'll put them in the thumbnail. I'm thinking about it right now. But have you ever bought a bag with no money? No money in the bank? The week from hell. Y'all remember me talking about the week from hell? Yes. This was purchased with no money during the week from hell. At the tail end of it, oh, let me see if I can get this out. I was talking to my buddy Melissa from Melissa's Corners. If you're not following her, please go and follow her. Give her a like and a comment to her videos. Please give her some watch hours. She needs some watch hours. I would greatly appreciate it. So this came from the Real. It did. And I bought this from the Real with no money in the bank. Not expecting to buy it. I went in there and her and I were looking for bags just for ignore that. And I saw this bag, and we were both looking for the similar bags, which is all Jackie's fault and Craig's fault. I came across this one and I was like, I have to have it. So I went in there trying to see how much it was, because I didn't know it at that time, but literally I had I was overdrawn $3 in my account, and I'm like, great. But I had gone into I used Afterpay. I wanted to see what the payment was going to be if I paid it, because you only have to pay one of 4 payments when you place the order. And I was doing research, people. I promise, Beanbeautis, I was really doing research. But because I was talking with Melissa on the phone, I think that's what happened, is we were FaceTiming each other, and then I was in the app not in the app, but I was in the website for the Real. And so it kind of was slow. It kept when it was trying to go to the next picture or whatever, it was really slow. So I double clicked when I shouldn't have double clicked, and it told, instead of clicking out of Afterpay after I saw it, I guess it goes this way. Okay, it goes this way. Oh, wait, I don't know. Okay, well, let me finish the story. No, here's the handle. Then when I double clicked, it went through my bank. My bank let me buy it with no money in the bank. So I'm like, whoops. So Melissa says, well, it just meant that it was meant to be. This bag was meant to be. So she's just all excited, because if I really love this bag, that I might sell her, give her, trade with her the other one. So I don't know if you can see on here, on the dust bag. Let's see. Ooh. It's a Reed Krakoff. It's beautiful. But what got me is this is suede, and this is real snake. Ooh, exotic. So it's the same size. I thought it's a teeny tiny bit smaller, which I'll grab the other one. We can do a comparison here in a little bit. But it was such a beautiful bag online and even in person. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, so it's a Reed Krakoff snakeskin leather handle. It was 20% off. It said the value was $165, had it originally listed. I don't know what, I guess they sold for $165, but I got it for $132. The pictures are just gorgeous. And in the back, this part is leather. And what I didn't notice, but I liked, is, which is why Melissa may not get the other bag, is the belt on this one, they have it straight across. The reason I liked the Reed Krakoff, what attracted me was that it was the belt was in a knot. But this one is straight, but I like it like that because it had this beautiful stamped tag here, and I just really like the look of that. I mean, it's beautiful, and it has it says suede, right? Gray leather. Well, it says gray leather, animal print. No, it's wool. This is wool. It says it's wool, and this is the snakeskin trim. The rolled handles, dual exterior pockets, leather lining, and it came in very good condition. The callouts was minor marking at exterior, but I couldn't find it in the pictures. And here, can y'all see anything here? Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. No feet, unfortunately, but they do have these straps here to kind of, you know, that are raised, that gives a little bit of protection. Here's the view at the top, and the handles don't go, you know, up or down. And here is the inside. The inside is in immaculate condition. Look at that. It's an immaculate condition. Look at that. Beautiful. So on the let's see, this is the front wall, right? Yeah. So on the back wall, you have the one zipper here, and it has the vaqueta zipper pull right here. Can you see that? Has a pocket in here. Ooh, very nice. The material is very nice. What is it? Very nice. It's very soft, whatever the interior is made of in here. I mean, I don't know. I guess it could be a thin layer of leather. Here is this side of it. It has a zipper, and it has two slit pockets. See here, one here and one here. Will my phone fit on the other side? See, so you have the option of putting it on either side. So that's a great plus, and it's on the front. This right here is to hold the straps together so that the handles don't get distorted like they are kind of now. Why they didn't use them, I don't know. Beautiful bag, beautiful, and it's in fantastic condition. It does have the snap pocket back here. I don't think I showed y'all. So it's a nice, generous snap pocket back here, which I also thought would be great, you know, a great place to put my phone as well too. I can lay it down or keep it standing up, and it's even, you know, easier to do it. Or I like to do this when it has a big pocket is there. I make my own little pocket and I'll put my phone in it here. I'll be picking it up here and there, and it makes it easier, and it's a little bit more secure. Let me get my other one. By this time, you should have already seen the other one. We can do a quick comparison, okay? Hold on just a second. Okay, so here is the other one. Y'all would have already seen this video. And the measurements came out, and I guess it's just on who measures it. Who measures it, because that's how I am. I'll measure something, then my husband will go and measure it, and he says, no, it's this. And I'm like, really? I think we'll go by mine. But he's like, no, we'll go by mine. We know that they're right. But it was measuring, let me see, just a teeny tiny. So here it is. It's lined up. And so it is a teeny tiny bit bigger. But I don't know if it's because this red one's a little bit more relaxed here. So it's a little bit more pushed out than this one is. No, they're the exact same size. It's the exact same size. It just that this one looked smaller, and of course they fooled me that it looked like it was a teeny tiny bit smaller. And see how this one has the knot? I loved the style because of this knot here. Let me stick this under here. That might be a little better. So I like that. I like the styling on that. And this one is more sleek. So I don't know, Melissa. I honestly don't know, because I like them both. So I don't know if you're gonna get this one in a trade or not, or an outright buy. Actually, this one I told her if it was hers, she'd have to have to buy it outright. So I could get me another one. I could get me another one. The shape and the size and everything was the same, but you know, just different stylings. But this I just really love. It smells like leather, but it smells like brand new. You know how brand new smells like? And I can't get over how clean this is. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I love the fact that I have a place back here to put my phone, because that's what I like. This does not have a crossbody, but I'm okay with it because this would be like going, I might get in trouble, but it would be like going to the doctor kind of bag day, because I can slip my notebooks. I always carry a little notebook like this when I go see the doctor, carry some paperwork or whatever. So I'm always going and coming. Like this one, I go to see my PA with her, but not my RA doctor. With this, actually, I put this in there. And let me see. I don't know. It doesn't say the weight on here. I will put up on a picture of the dimensions, but that's one thing they don't do. And I do like about Dooney is that they tell you what the weight is. This is a little bit on the hefty side for me. So I definitely would have to be, it would definitely be a bag that it would have to be a minimal bag carry, or it would be one of those, like I said, if I could take this to the doctor's office, but yet not be a carry all day long kind of a carry. Yeah, that's good. But this is heavy to begin with, but so that made it a little heavy. It was a little hefty to pick it up, but that's okay. She's beautiful. She is gorgeous. She's snakeskin, reed Krakoff, top handle bag, gray leather, which is it's wool, gray wool. Animal print, which is snakeskin. Gold tone hardware. I love the gold tone. I'm into the gold tone right now. Really am. I really am. I go into these phases and stuff, but I always combine my metals. I wear silver and gold together. I don't have a problem. They have the rolled handles, dual exterior pockets, and which are these two. Well, it's one, but why does it say dual? Dual means two. Dual exterior pockets. Is there another exterior? Oh, is this a pocket, Dee Dee Bean? Let's see. It is a pocket! Surprise! Surprise! It is! Oh my goodness! Did I know that? I don't know. Did I care? I don't know. That is so cool. Okay, Reed. Okay. I like that. Nice. Okay. Surprise pocket. So it does have two pockets. I can't find the snap. There we go. Wow, surprise. Yay. Surprise. As Gopher Powell used to say. Okay, let's see what else. Leather lining in dual interior pockets. Okay, so it is leather that's in here. When I was saying, you know, it is a gorgeous, soft leather in here. Very, very soft. Gorgeous. And then it says open top, so there's no zipper at the top. Yep. And protective feet at the base, which that's what they're calling this, protective feet. You know, that's their form of feet. Feet. I like the feet. For $132, can't beat that. And I bought it with no money in the bank. Shh, don't tell my honey. That's why I have a fun money account and he has a fun money account. And he can't see mine and I can't see his. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by, and I hope you enjoyed this beautiful bag. Let me know, do you have a reed Krakoff bag in your collection? Are you thinking about it? Alrighty, let me know down in the comment box. Love y'all. Bye-bye.